Hi everyone, this is a 2500 dime search. I'm going to go through all of them. I want to fill these two books up, 1965 to 2004. And the other book is 2005 to present. So I got plenty of stuff to write down for future. After 2025, unfortunately, I probably won't even be able to get 2023 in here. But I'm also looking for any kind of dimes that are 1964 and lower, because they're 90% silver. They're worth about $1.50. So I also looking for Mercury dimes, which are right here, and these are 1945 to 1916, and I want to get more, see how many I can get here. Plus, there are other errors that I'm looking for, but I'm gonna go through all this, take my time, one by one, start opening them up and start putting them in this box and see what I get, because it's probably the last time I get ever dimes anyway. So, but I will keep you guys updated if I find something new, different, different currency, maybe a barber dime will be nice. But overall, here it is. We're still working on it, still separating it, still going through it, seeing if there's any kind of deficiencies. This little thing is pretty cool, because you could look and see if there's any min marks, or the quality of the coin. But this thing is pretty cool, so I'm going to take my time and get a little bit better, closer look on them.